There's something hypnotic about lava. It looks slow, calm, almost beautiful, until you realize it's hot enough to melt rock itself. But here's the question. What would actually happen if someone fell into it? Would it be instant, painful, or something completely different? Before we break it down, hit like if you love learning through strange and fascinating science stories. It helps more people find videos like this one. Alright, let's talk lava. Not all lava is the same. There are different kinds, but the one that matters most for this experiment is called pahoehoe lava. Smooth, shiny, and fluid, like hot honey flowing across the Earth's surface. It's the kind seen in Hawaii, slow, mesmerizing, and about 1,200 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of Venus. Now, lava isn't like water. It's molten rock, thick and heavy. If you somehow jumped into a lava flow, you wouldn't sink. You'd stay on the surface because lava is incredibly dense. So what would actually happen second by second if a human came in contact with it? 0 seconds. You're still in the air, but the heat is already radiating upward, strong enough to heat your skin before touching the surface. 0.1 seconds. At contact, the body's moisture reacts instantly to the extreme temperature, causing rapid vaporization and tissue damage. 0.3 seconds. The reaction spreads deeper, overwhelming the nervous system faster than the brain can even process what's happening. 0.5 seconds. All bodily signals stop. Consciousness would fade almost instantly due to heat shock and sensory overload. 1 second. The surface of the body becomes dry and brittle. Not melted, but scorched like material left too close to a flame. No dramatic sinking, no movie-style explosion, just a brief moment of total exposure and stillness. Wild, right? Comment below. Which do you think would be harder to survive? Extreme heat or extreme cold? Now, here's something fascinating most people don't know. In real volcanic events like Pompeii, it wasn't lava that affected people directly. It was superheated gas and ash, racing down the mountains at more than 300 degrees Celsius, enough to overwhelm everything in its path. In scientific experiments, when researchers drop objects into active lava, there's no Hollywood explosion. Just an instant reaction and rapid surface transformation. Even with full protective suits, experts can only stay near lava flows for a few seconds before the heat becomes unbearable. That's why modern volcanologists rely on robots and drones to study these rivers of fire safely. So yes, lava is breathtaking, but it's also nature's ultimate reminder of power. And if you've ever imagined a dramatic slow-motion fall into lava, reality is far quicker, quieter, and scientifically humbling. If this kind of breakdown feeds your curiosity, make sure to subscribe to Raw Science, where we explore the extreme sides of science, survival, and the human body every week. Because the more we understand how nature works, the more we realize how incredible it is that we're even here to study it.